In the near future, humanity stood on the brink of an entirely new frontier, not the vast expanse of space, but the unexplored depths of our own planet's oceans. It was here, in the heart of this great unknown, that Dr. Mia Thompson, Captain Mark Richards, and Dr. Victor Chen embarked on a mission that promised to redefine the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. The submarine, named the Abyssal Voyager, was a marvel of modern engineering, designed to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea and equipped with the latest in technological advancements, many of which were the brainchild of Dr. Chen himself. As the vessel began its descent into the murky waters, the team felt a mixture of excitement and apprehension. The ocean's depths were a realm of perpetual night, a place where no sunlight could reach, and yet it was here that they hoped to uncover secrets that had eluded mankind for millennia. Days turned into weeks as the Abyssal Voyager ventured deeper into the ocean than any had dared to go before. Dr. Thompson meticulously documented each new species of fish and plant life they encountered, marveling at the diversity and strangeness of life in the depths. Captain Richards steered the vessel through treacherous underwater landscapes, his steady hand and years of experience ensuring their safety amidst underwater mountains and chasms deeper than the Grand Canyon. Dr. Chen, ever the tinkerer, constantly adjusted the submarine's systems, pushing them to their limits to allow the team to explore further and deeper. His innovations allowed them to navigate through areas previously thought impassable and to document their findings with unparalleled clarity and precision. But as they delved deeper into the abyss, the team began to encounter phenomena that defied explanation. Their instruments picked up sounds that resembled no known marine life, haunting calls that seemed to come from everywhere and nowhere. The water temperature fluctuated inexplicably, and their navigation systems occasionally spun out of control, as if something was interfering with their instruments. It was during one of these episodes of strange readings that they stumbled upon it, a hidden underwater civilization. Nestled in a vast canyon, illuminated by bioluminescent plants and creatures, was a city unlike anything they had ever seen. The architecture was both breathtaking and terrifying, constructed from materials that seemed to absorb the faint light around them. Initial fascination soon turned to horror as they realized that this civilization was not merely a relic of the past, but home to beings that were very much alive and not entirely human. These creatures, with their elongated limbs, luminescent eyes, and seemingly telepathic abilities, regarded the human intruders with a mixture of curiosity and hostility. The team made the decision to retreat, but it was already too late. Their submarine was ensnared by some unseen force, dragging them closer to the city and the dark secrets it held. It became clear that these beings did not intend to let them leave, at least not without understanding their purpose and perhaps making use of them for their own inscrutable ends. Faced with the prospect of being forever trapped in this underwater nightmare, the team rallied together. Dr. Thompson, with her deep understanding of marine biology, began to find patterns in the behavior of their captors, clues that hinted at their motivations and weaknesses. Captain Richards formulated a plan to escape, leveraging his unparalleled navigational skills and intimate knowledge of the submarine's capabilities. Dr. Chen, meanwhile, worked feverishly to modify their equipment, creating devices that could potentially disrupt the control these beings had over their vessel. As they put their plan into action, the team faced numerous obstacles. They were pursued by the creatures, who used their telepathic abilities to instill fear and despair in the hearts of the humans. The city itself seemed to come alive, with walls shifting and corridors changing, trying to disorient and trap them. But through sheer determination and ingenuity, they managed to break free from the city's grasp, navigating through narrow passages and evading their pursuers. In the final, tense moments of their escape, the submarine was severely damaged, systems failing left and right. It was only Captain Richards' expert piloting and Dr. Chen's makeshift repairs that kept them afloat, while Dr. Thompson used her knowledge to fend off the creatures that tried to stop them. They emerged from the depths, battered but alive, carrying with them not just the tale of their harrowing experience, but also invaluable data and recordings of the civilization they had encountered. Back on the surface, their story was met with skepticism and disbelief. Many considered their encounter a fabrication, an elaborate hoax. But the evidence was irrefutable, captured in the logs and recordings of the abyssal voyager. The discovery prompted a flurry of questions and speculation. Were these beings the descendants of an ancient human civilization or something entirely alien? What did their existence imply about the history of our planet and our understanding of life itself? For Dr. Thompson, Captain Richards, and Dr. Chen, the experience had changed them in profound ways. They had faced the depths of despair, both literal and metaphorical, and emerged not only survivors, but as pioneers. They had glimpsed a world beyond our own, full of wonders and horrors, and it had left them with a deep sense of humility and a renewed passion for discovery. The ocean's depths remain a mystery, a vast and unexplored frontier that continues to beckon the brave and the curious. But for those who had ventured into the abyss and encountered its darkest secrets, the ocean would forever be a reminder of our own insignificance in the face of the unknown, and of the unimaginable wonders that lie just beyond the reach of our understanding.